everyone and welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love recipe videos like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious chocolate ginger porridge. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious chocolate ginger porridge. Now this is a recipe that is really easy to do, and I thought this would be a nice recipe for Easter. Normally at Easter my family and I like to have eggs for breakfast, but occasionally I get a bit fed up having eggs for like 3 or 4 days, and sometimes I just like a change, and this makes a really brilliant Easter breakfast. It has chocolate in it has spices, and it's really tasty as well. And I'm going to be having it for my breakfast tomorrow, so I thought while I was making it I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious chocolate ginger porridge. To start the process, I have weighed out about 45 grams of porridge oats. These are gluten-free porridge oats, but you can use any type of oats you like. For this recipe it doesn't have to be gluten-free, I just have a slight gluten intolerance, that's why I'm using them. And then I'm going to add a big heaped teaspoon of ginger to that, and I'm going to mix that around as well. And then to that I'm going to add a small handful of walnuts. So I'm just going to break them up as I put them in the bowl, like so. My neighbours are doing some renovations to their garden, so that's why it might sound a bit noisy right now. We've got our back doors open as well, so if it sounds noisy I'm sorry. So I'm going to add a small handful of walnuts to that. And then I'm also going to add a couple of teaspoons of ground flaxseed as well. I think in the original recipe I said a tablespoon because I was serving 2 people. So you decide how much flaxseed and how many other seeds you want in it, but this is perfect for me. And then I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of sunflower seeds as well, like so. And then I'm also going to add a couple of teaspoons of pumpkin seeds to that as well. And then I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of chia seeds as well. Actually, I'm just going to tip the rest of that jar in because there isn't much left in there. And then finally, I'm going to add some raw cacao powder. So I'm going to add again a couple of teaspoons, big heaped teaspoons because I love it. But you can add as much or as little as you want. And now I'm just going to mix all of these ingredients together like so. And then finally I'm going to add in some chopped up prunes as well. So I've got about 4 prunes that I've chopped up. In the original recipe I said 6 to 8, but that was for 2 people. So I'm just using 4 for myself. And then I'm going to add about 200 mils of milk to this as well. And then what I'm going to do is just mix again all of those ingredients together until everything is well mixed in. And then I will put this into the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow morning I will cook the porridge off. So yes, I'm going to put this into the fridge now. It's the next day now, and what I've done is I have added some frozen blueberries and a chopped up banana to my porridge. As you can see, the porridge is very solid in the bowl, so I'm going to add a bit more liquid to that, but I'm just going to put everything into the bowl now, like so. And it still smells really good, by the way. It smells lovely. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a bit of milk to this as well, just to soften it down a little bit and help it to cook. So I'm just adding a bit more of the milk that I added yesterday. I'm using an oat milk, a gluten-free oat milk, but you can use any type of milk you like. And I'm just going to mix that in. And then once everything is well mixed in, I'm going to add a bit more milk, I think. Then once everything is well mixed together, I shall put the heat on, which I think I'll do now. And I'm just going to stir this until it starts to heat up. So I'm just going to continue to stir the porridge now. The porridge has started to heat through nicely now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the heat down slightly. And it's also started to thicken a little bit as well. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to the base of the pan just to make it that bit thinner. I don't mind thick or thin porridge, but I know some people don't like very thick porridge. So if you want to, you can just add water or even more milk as well to the mixture. And then you just keep stirring until everything warms through. This took me about 5 minutes to cook like this, so it's very quick and easy to make this dish. It's a really lovely breakfast as well, especially if you love spicy food. It's very spicy, I have to say, but I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it. So yes, I think that's my porridge done now. So I'm going to turn this off. And I am going to pour that back into the bowl. If you want to, you can use a clean bowl, but I always think it looks quite artistic if I pour it back into the bowl with all the chocolate smeared around the side. So that's why I'm doing this. But yeah, this smells and looks absolutely delicious, and I'm really looking forward to my breakfast now. That's how you make my delicious chocolate ginger porridge, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm off to have this for my breakfast now, and it smells so good, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.